Up, good people. So, my name is Kim Kairi Anton. A very passionate farmer. I think I love farming, farming with a passion. I think farming, I love it. And so, I don't know. Even they also say that farming is the backbone of our country, and it's really good because people really depend on food for the survival. And so you can see if everybody does not work, then you can see the population may increase in a very short time. And so for now I speak about the poultry farming. And guys, today is day 8 when from when the bans came. And so yesterday we were supposed yesterday was day 7. We were supposed to take our weight, that is from day 1 to day 7. We are supposed to take the weight. But guys, do you know what? Yesterday was a very rough day because yesterday I went to get that spring that beam balance. But guys, do you know what? I went around the town and it wasn't. So I missed it. I was very tired. Trying going to the biggest handwares they do not have. I think they were having the tradition one that was using the stones. So well, by the way, yesterday was a very tough day for me, and so I came empty. So we did not take our weight yesterday, and so I decided that. Yesterday last night I decided that we are not going to it. Now that I have found it and I have not seen it in the entire town, that means we need to source it maybe from the city, because I needed that balance that has spread on it, not the vertical one that is rifted. No, I wanted the one that a braid is placed on it. And so guys, I missed it. And so the one that I was getting is the vertical one that is lifted. And so last night I came and I thought, so when are we going to wait for this? Because you are supposed to take the weight. And so I decided that we are going to buy that the vertical one. But also as we buy that, we take the weight as we wait for that. I think I made an order. So we are waiting for it. But as we wait for it, we can also be taking some weight. And so I had an idea that we buy the vertical one to use for weighing and bound for weighing the fins. By the way, guys, I use the manual spring balance, the tradition one, and so it was not very accurate. And so I saw it as a good idea that if I bought it the vertical one, it would be better, because after we get that one, after we get the standardized that I need, then we can be using that maybe to measure the fins, because we take the measurement for the fins each and every day. That is in terms of kilos, because we give the bands fins in terms of kilos per day. And so I saw it as a good idea. And so I thought of if we can improvise it and then use it to measure the bands. And guys, yeah, it worked. So in the morning I went for it. And so yeah, I came. And so guys, I think let us move there. But it is here out, it is very hot, as you can see. Hey, but we do not worry so much, as long as the sun is not scorching so much. That's the nature. And so we took the weight. I've been taking the weight, guys. Let us just use the food dip. This is very essential. Yeah, and then we are good to go. Yes. Wow, guys, we are here. So you can see the buns. You can see the buns. They have really grown feathers. You can see they are relaxed. You can see they are sunbathing. Some are sunbathing. Don't know which is sunbathing, but basically when you see that over there is sunbathing. Yeah, and you can see some O's. I like that one. Yeah. So they have been sunbathing. You can see our source of it. Basically, we do not need eat so much in the daytime. As I've told you, out there is very, very hot. And so we do not need much of the light. And as you can see, the buns, even from the way they are scattered, that tells you that the environment is very conducive for them. And so, so far, so good. You can see the fins. I think they have consumed the fins, so we need to handle for them. And so, guys, this here is where we were taking our weight from. That means when we take buns that we weigh, we keep them here to avoid mixing up and repeating the same buns in terms of the measurement. And guys, this is our weighing balance that I was telling you. And so we ended to acquire this. You can see, yes, that is 0. It is in terms of kg. We have to convert to grams. And so, like I was telling you, you can see the way we have improvised this. So basically, this is cardboard. I mean, not cardboard, but this is box. This is a box that I have cut. You can see I've tied it with ropes, and you can see it has no kilograms. It is 0. That means it has no weight. And so I ended to acquire this so that we take the weight. And so guys, I think let me do an example. And so I was taking a band like this that I have taken here. Just press it there. Then just you can see it is a 70. It is 70. It is 70 there, but it is in kilogram. That is a 0.070. That equals to 70 grams. When I take that, I just put it there. And so we have been doing that for the buns. But guys, I think yeah, this is our record. We were recording here. And guys, yeah, you can see our weight. We have not calculated the average mean, but probably it's around 70. Even from my looking, the average mean when I calculate, I think it will be ranging at 70, because I can see the minimum weight for the buns was 60. And the maximum, guys, it is at 8 grams. Oh my God, we are very far. I think we are very far. Oh my God. So guys, sorry, my camera is just foreign. Well, so I want us let us see we are at 18 grams per bat. And guys, you can see over here, that is feed intake per band per day. In week 1, we are supposed to be at 10 grams per bat, and the body weight in that week should be between 64 and 67. But you can see we are at 80. And when we calculate the mean will range the mean will range 70 something here. Yeah, 70 something. You know, if not 77, 70 something there, around 67, from 67 to 70 there. And so, guys, well, the buns are feeding. The buns are feeding. I don't know. I think we are in week 2. we started the week 2 today. And so guys, where the bands are really feeding. They are really feeding. In week 1 we are supposed to be taking at 10 grams per chick, and the maximum is 12 grams per bird. And so I think they are consuming more than that. And so, but we do not worry, because I understand it is because they are feeding day and night. But so far so good. And so you can see our improvising worked for us. By the way, I thought it here. By the way, I was seated here. I thought for it that it can work for us. We do not need to wait until when we have that balance for us to weigh the banks. And so you can see it worked very well for us. And guys, like I was telling you, we were using this spring balance. It is very old. I think it was used very some years back. And so it was not very accurate in terms of the things that we give to the banks. But with this, I think it is very good for us, because when we receive that means this will be basically for the measuring of the fins, and so you can see that we are not we will not dispose it. Still, it will be working, and so I think we are moving on very well. Also, yesterday I acquired this. But then, guys, yesterday after I was finding that spring balance, I did not find it. I decided that I needed to buy this. This is a kind for the electricity. As you can see here, we have not pressed our wires. We have not crossed them, and so we are going to cross with this. Yeah, and so I think this is what came with it yesterday. But guys, so far so good. I think you can see the bands are trying to play with the Rita. You may think that band is carrying something, but it's just the Rita. And so so far so good. You can see our water. It is very clean. We usually change the water each and every day. So I think we will have to get this now for us to keep the bands free. And so you can see I was using gumboots, yeah, basically to partition that place. And so these our fins. I think we are going to feed the starter crams. I think for 1 week. For this second week, the third week we introduced the chick mash. And so guys, we are moving on very well. I don't know how you can comment to this. We are at 80, we are at 70 grams, the average. The average at 70. Guys, I don't know. Comment in the comment section. Just tell me, are we moving on well? But I think we are moving on very well. It is because that they are feeding day and night. And so I think even this second week we are going to be given our second vaccine, that is Newcastle plus IBS, infectious and bronchitis. Maybe is it Saturday, Sunday? Yeah, Saturday, Sunday there. We are going to be giving the second vaccine. That is after they were vaccinated from the archery. So we are going to give our first vaccine in the farm at day 12, between day 12 and 14. That is from, I think from Sunday. From Sunday to maybe Tuesday there. That is, today we are on a Wednesday, and so on Sunday, on Monday there we'll be giving that vaccine. But so far so good. Just if you have not subscribed to our channel, just subscribe for more videos to come. Just like that video. See you in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.